Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Vardan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to manage our time. And I can guarantee you, with the tips given in this video, you can manage your time like never before. And let me tell you one thing and make it very clear to you that time is something that's not manageable. Okay? So you cannot manage time. Now you may be thinking that, okay, if I cannot manage time, then what's the point making this video? Let me tell you. You cannot manage time because if you do something, times roll out. If you don't do something, time rolls out. So there's no way that you can manage time. Once it flows, it just flows. You can never revert it back, okay? Now, what you can manage is your priorities, yourself. Self-management is possible, but time management is quite a bit not possible. Alright, so in this video we are going to look at the same, that how to manage ourselves so that we can manage our time wonderfully well. Alright, so without any more ado, let's get started. Now, even before we start, I have some news for you. I have posted a carousel post on time management on my Instagram account. I'll give the link in the description box so that you can go and check it out, because in that carousel, I have given you 4 steps on how to manage your time, and I can guarantee you one thing, that if you go through that post, that small post, then you will be able to manage your time like never before with the help of that small carousel post. So make sure that you click the link below and go and check it out, that carousel post, alright? Because starting from the principles, strategies and tactics, I have given each and everything in that small carousel post that will help you to manage your time well. And you will be like so smooth in your schedules and work and like everything. So, I just really want that you should encash that right now just after you finish watching this video. Alright. So, in this video, what I'm going to share with you is very much different from that carousel post that I have given you in the Instagram. Alright. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the 3 points, I would say the 3 most essential points with which you can manage your time. Alright. Now, the first thing is productivity. Whatever task you choose to do in any period of time, just choose it a little wisely, that it must be productive, okay? Don't do anything that isn't productive, okay? That's non-productive, okay? Productive means what? Productive means something that brings out a result in your life. Productive means what? A product, right? So, do something that has an effect in your life. It's not like just a nil thing that doesn't, embrace your life in any way. Alright. So don't do such kind of task. Alright. So always put and invest your time in such tasks that are productive to you, that can bring out some results, some, tangible outcome in your hands. Alright. So that's always the number 1 step. Because a lot of time, what happens is that people just waste a lot of time in doing something that is not necessary, something that is out of their essentialism, and that doesn't have any positive impact in their life. Getting me? So choose productive tasks, alright? Because your time is very valuable asset, right? Point number 2 is effectivity. Yes, effectiveness is very important. While you are doing your task, must remember that your task must be effective, alright? It's not like that you are hurrying up and completing each and every task in such a way that it's all shallow, okay? You are doing it with no focus, okay? There is no quality in your work that you have accomplished. Okay, it does not matter how much time you take to do a single stuff. What matters is how much focus are you in that particular time while doing that work. Because if you are not effective and focused while doing that work, what happens is that the same work will take 6 hours without focus, that if you do with focus, it will take just, less than maybe 1 or 2 hours, alright? It has happened with me. I've experienced this, I'm telling you this, alright? So if you are focused on your work, if you're doing it effectively, then you will take less time to accomplish it, okay? And and at the end, you will have a lot of free time for yourself. So always remember that you are doing it with a lot of focus. And you know what? I want to give you here a bonus tip, that is, don't do multitasking. Alright. Multitasking is a myth. Multitasking doesn't at all happen. Alright. Our brain switches tasks. If you at the same time you listen to music and you write something or you read something, it's like your brain switches the task. All right, it always does one task at one time. All right, so you gotta encash that and you gotta complete one task at a time. All right, and this will make you effective in your whatever work you do. All right, effective in your task. All right, so if you want to accomplish your task, so it will save a lot of your time. All right, so effectiveness is a must. Okay, just before doing a task, just be focused, calm yourself, 1 minute silence, and then go and do that task. Okay, there will be much more effectiveness in that. Now, third point is efficiency. Yes, speed of implementation is very important. A lot of time we miss out things just because we are so much looking for perfection in our task that efficiency just goes down. Okay, so if, for example, if you're doing a project work, focus more on the essential part, like on the stats, on the content part. Don't put much time in the designing and stuff that is not essential. All right, so for making your task or making yourself look perfect or making your task come perfect, you waste a lot of time. You spend a lot of time in just confirming that it is perfect. It cannot be perfect. Nothing is perfect, right? So try to be efficient. Don't chase perfectionism, because perfectionism does not happen anyway. Everybody has different levels of perfection. All right. The thing that may appear to you as imperfect may appear to the other person as a perfect piece, right? So everyone has different levels of perfectionism to judge perfectionism. Don't lose your efficiency into making your task perfect. All right, so you got it. Your task must be productive. You should do productive things more, because 80-20 rule again. 20% of the task only gives you 80% of the results. Rest 80% of the task that you do in your whole day doesn't take out even 20% of the results. All right, you got to understand this. Another thing is that number one thing is you should be productive. Next is there must be effectiveness in your task, whatever you have accomplished, and you should do it efficiently. All right. If you found these 3 tips helpful, then please share this video to a lot of your friends who need this, who require this, because see, this is a random act of kindness. You are doing a random act of kindness. You are doing good for other people, right? So if you found this useful for yourself, then please share it to others as well. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and put in the comments below what have you learned from this video, and if there is any questions or any videos that you want me to make for you, then please let me know in the comments below. All right, and yeah, don't forget to click the link in the description box below so that you don't miss out the carousel post on the Instagram account that I've posted. All right, that's all. This is Vardan Sahu signing out until we meet again. Bye bye.